Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm just going to be doing a very small Dollar Tree haul and a Goodwill haul that I did. So let's go for it. Dollar Tree, I saw this on someone else's channel. A Dollar Tree haul they did. And this is the real deal. These are the soft soaps. It's not, they also have what they call, I think they call it spa soap. SPA soap. That is like a generic brand, I believe. Okay, could be wrong. Most likely I am. But this is the real deal. This is the soft soap, the kind that you buy for like maybe 99 cents, 98 cents at Walmart, and they're like this big, you know, with the pump. These are huge. And of course now the Dollar Tree is $1.25. But so for $2.50, not bad, in my opinion. Actually, I think it's very good. Let's move on to Goodwill, shall we? So my dogs already have bowls. And I saw this little bowl here. It was 88 cents. And there was also a bigger one. There was one bigger one and then one inside it. This was the one inside it. All I wanted was a small one because my big dog already has one that I bought at Walmart that's pink for a girl. And I just wanted the small one. So this is for Brooklyn. I just need to rinse it out real well. We'll wash it and then, you know, get it all clean. And this is going to be her new little dish. So I just thought this was adorable. I think she'll really like it. I'm sure she'll really like anything if it has food in it. All right, then I didn't receive it, I bought it. This little cozy sweater here. Right here. It's just a black, like real soft material. It's just really lovely in my opinion. It was $3.88. If you saw a video earlier that I posted, I don't know when this is going to post, but I just posted a video today. It's March 2nd, and it was a thrift haul that I did, and I got one of these, a white one, for $1. So, but this was at Goodwill. This was, I don't know, a couple weeks back, Nicole, something like that. This was $3.88, but you know, this one's actually my size. This is a small. The tag is still on it actually over here, so makes me think that it's brand new. So yeah, I think it was still a good deal. And I'm always cold, so anytime I get, you know, I go to Goodwill, if it's summertime, whatever, I still like to buy long sleeves. Even if I am at work, like, you know, when I substitute teach or whatever, that's what I do. I still wear long sleeves to work because I get cold in the buildings when they have the air conditioner on. So I'm always buying long sleeves. Very rare do I wear short sleeves.
Yeah.
So then I got this. It's $1.88. It says the night is dark and full of terrors by the Game of Thrones. So it looks like this. Shh, my dog is starting to growl because my big dog downstairs is starting to bark. So I got this. The night is dark. And then it says on the back, and full of terror. And then right here it says the Game of Thrones. But what is it? I don't know. It's got like, it's all sealed up. It's never been opened. I don't know if it's like a journal, which I think it might be because it has this like kind of like bookmark type journal thing there that you can save your spot, or it might be like a sketchbook. I really don't know, but I want to give it to my daughter, Hannah. She likes to do kind of, you know, sketching, and she's a very good artist. So if that's what this is, I'm going to let her open it and see. If it's just a journal, she might not want it, which is fine. I'll take it. But let's just see what she thinks first. So I got that. $1.88. Not sure what it is. And you know, I couldn't go without a mystery bag. I couldn't go to the thrift store, or to Goodwill, sorry, without buying a mystery bag. And this looks like it's full of Hallmark cards. $2.88 for this little bundle. This is going to be quick because it looks like they're all just the same thing. Probably, hopefully with different, they all look like cards, but hopefully they're all different cards. But we'll see what it is. This one says Happy Valentine's Day. A little bit late for that, I am. This one looks like it's their Christmas. Thank you so much for your gift. So these are thank you cards. It looks like, you know, like a Christmas theme. Okay, this is the same thing. Thank you cards with the oh no, this is the same thing. You guys, if you send me something, you're gonna get a Christmas decorated card. This is thank you for your gift. This is something that says touched by your thoughtfulness. So these are thank you cards as well. And this is the same thing. And this is the same thing. So they're all Hallmark cards. And it looks like they were all $1 probably from the Dollar Tree. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there's 7 of these. So if I was to go to the Dollar Tree and pick these up, well, when it was $1, you know, I would be paying $7 plus tax. And for all of these, I just paid $2.88. And I love getting stationery products. I need to get better at sending cards out. I really do. I have so many, but I have to start dividing them into thank you, birthdays, Valentine's, Christmas. I need some sort of system because right now I just have them just scattered about and I don't know, you know, I just never use them because they're just all scattered. So I need to come up with some sort of a better system moving forward with a lot of these cards that I get. Anyway, thank you all so very much for stopping by my channel to watch me show you what I got from Goodwill. And of course, let's not forget my Dollar Tree. My kids are home. My Dollar Tree soft soap. So everyone, that's it. Hopefully my little dog can be quiet for a second. Zach, I'm doing a video. Shh. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you can, subscribe to my channel. Also, I would really appreciate it if you would comment down below and like this video. Meaning, give it a big thumbs up on that little button down there or somewhere. Here. I don't know where the button is, but wherever. Press it. It'll help me. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.